Structs in Swift are value types. Here, when we define the struct rectangle and later instantiate it, here the variable a is assigned with the object itself, and here a new copy of that object is created, so that a and b, two variables, each one of them hold a different object. Each one of them is a different object. That's why when we try to play with width and height using a, it influences a only. If we try to execute this code sample, you can see that we get area of a is 12 because we assigned 3 and 4 to width and height, while area of b is 48. Now, if we change our definition for the struct rectangle so that instead of using the keyword struct we use class, then first of all, we don't have the memory-wise initializer. We cannot specify just like that width and height with the values we want to assign them. So let's delete it. Now, over here, as you can see, we still have the default values for width and height. We could, of course, change them into 3 and 4 if we want. But this is not the point. The point is, now we have an object instantiated from rectangle, and a is assigned with a reference for that object, and here b is assigned with the value of a, and the value of a is the reference for that new object, so that a and b, both of them hold the same reference for the same object. That's why if we play with the width and height of the object using a or b, it is the same. If I change it into 7 and 8, for example, I actually change width and height of the one and only object we have here in this code sample, the object that was created over here. So it doesn't matter whether I try to invoke area using a or b, I invoke area on the very same object, and that's why we shall get the same output in both invocations.